Hey guys, and welcome to Simply Hike. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Coleman Fast Pitch Hub Drake 4 tent. So this tent's got a pack size of 64 centimeters by 23 centimeters by 23 centimeters, has an overall weight of 6.9 kilograms, has a 3000 hydrostatic head, so it's going to be perfect for, camping in the UK during this spring, summer and early autumn. And due to the fast pitch technology, this tent can actually be pitched 60% faster than other tents as well. Anyway, let's take a closer look at the tent itself. So the first thing you'll notice I'm going to talk to you about is obviously the fast pitch tent itself. So using the integral systems on there and the clip systems on there means that one person can get this tent up nice and quickly. And what you'll also notice as well is the actual tent itself uses an external frame to make it quicker to put up, but then also as well it uses standard poles as well. So if you do break them, you don't have to replace it with any expensive parts. As I say, we'll go into more detail in that sort of feature in another video. But let's take a spin around as well. As I say, it's got a nice traditional dome design. You've got ventilation on the side there as well, so that's going to enable nice cool air in the living space. And what you'll also notice as well is you've got ventilation on the top sections as well, so that's going to make nice cool air going through the sleeping areas as well. Obviously, with it being a dome shape, the majority of the height itself is in the central part of the tent in the sleeping area. But what you do notice as well, the way that the Coleman have framed this tent as well, you've got a nice steady kind of headroom in the living space as well. So they really have thought of everything. As we take a look at the back of the part of the tent, you can actually see how wide the tent is. As I say, it sleeps 4 people, so it's actually got a lot of space for it as well. And if we just jump around the side here again, what you'll notice is that you've got your additional ventilation as well. Another key thing with the ventilation, you do have these pod sections on here as well. So if you don't want it open, you can quite literally pop it down as well. So if it's a bit chilly at night, you can do so. Obviously doing that means the condensation buildup will be greater. Anyway, that's enough about the outside of the tent. Let's take a look at the inside now. So the inside of the tent is nice and spacious. As I say, we're sat in the living quarters the sleeping quarters at the moment, and it is massive. It really is a nice big floor plan for a 4-person tent. Even if there's 4 of you in here, you shouldn't have any qualms. You can probably even get some of your equipment in here as well and still sleep comfortably with lots of room. You've got additional storage is pretty much minimum on here, but as I say, it's all about the quick pitch and then just getting in. So you've got your side storage on the sides there. That's great for your bits and bobs. On the top as well, working with the ventilation, on the top part of the tent you do have this mesh. That's enabling cool air to run through the tent as well, just to keep you nice and cool and obviously reduce the risk of condensation. And then lastly, the living space on the porch space is absolutely massive. For a 4-person tent, it really is really big. It's nice and spacious in there, and the front windows on the front there let a lot of natural light in the morning and during the evening. As I say, that's a really nice touch. And obviously this does have the fast pitch technology, which is 60% faster pitching than your standard tents as well. Anyway, if you want any more information on this tent, just head over to our website, simplyhike.co.uk.